हरे कृष्ण राधे राधे। आज के टुडे आई वुड लाइक टू एक्सप्लेन माँ दुर्गा सर्वमंगला देवी like as mantra ओम सर्वमंगल मांगल्ये शिवे सर्वार्थ साधिके शरण्ये त्र्यंबके गौरी नारायणी नमस्तुते. It's very clear in English. O goddess Narayani, you are the auspicious mother who bestows us all kinds of blessing. You are Shiva Parvati who always grant welfare and long loving mother who fulfills all wishes and the only surrendered love. O Trembake Gauri, with their every eyes, O mother, I salute you again and again. Its meaning as Sanskrit, Om Sarva Mangal Mangalye Shive Sarvarth Sadhike Saranye Trambake Gauri Narayani Namastuti. It's very clearly you have known about Adya Shakti Ma Durga Bij Mantra. Om Sharanagata Dinarth Paritranaya Parayane Sarva Syati Hare Devi Narayani Namastute. Very clear in English. Please listen. O Narayani, the compassionate goddess who protect the poor and removes all kinds of suffering, I salute you again and again. Next, Om Sarva Swarupe Sarvese Sarva Shakti Samanvite Bhavebhyastrani No Devi Durge Devi Namastute. It's clear in English. O all pervading Mother Durga, you are the one who is omnipresent, the divine administrator of all, the mistress, all powers. You are the most powerful goddess. You are the one who destroy all type of fear. O fearless mother Narayani, I take refuge in you. Blessed me with fearlessness. That means Om Sarva Swarupe Sarvese Sarva Shakti Samanvite Bhayomya Strane Hi No Devi Durge Devi Namastute. Next, Bina Pustak Dharini Vahan Svet Maral Buddhi Prada Varda Subha Chinna Karo Tamjal. In English, try to do understand, motivate in English. O Mother Saraswati, O Goddess of learning, you bear the harp, veena and book. Your vehicle is white swan. You bestow with wisdom, give boon of auspiciousness of, O Goddess of enlightenment, kindly dispel the veil of ignorance. It's clear. Next, Singharura Shuladhari Bhanjojan की भीर दुर्गा नाशो दुर्गति हरो जगत पीर टू. O Shim Harshwini, Goddess Durga, kindly remove physical and mental burden of your children. O Shaldharani, O Shaldharani mother, by your trident destroy threefold physical material and celestial and celestimite and free of the world from all suffering. Devi Durga, as directed in Devi Atharva rendered in Rig Veda and repeated in Atharva Veda. Atharva Veda, having gone to the Supreme Devi, all gods asked, "Who are you, O Mahadevi? Who are you, O Mahadevi?" The goddess replied, "I am in form of Brahman. The whole universe excited from me, which guaranteed through Purusha being Prakriti nature, which both void and nebulism yam cha asu yam cha. I am both blissed and non-blissed. I am knowledge and non-knowledge. I am Brahman and non-Brahman. I am five primordial principles and non-principles. I am the whole perceived universe. I am Veda knowledge about Brahman and non-knowledge about Brahman. I am learning and ignorance, and I am unborn and also born. I am up, down, in the middle. I move about in from Rudra and Bashu. I move about the Aditya and all the gods. I sustain Maitra, Varuna, Indra, Agni, both the Ashwinas. In me there are Shoma, Tavatsa, Pusha and Bhaga. In me there are Vishnu with white footsteps, Brahman and Prajapati. I bring wealth with heavy to that man who offers the best heavy to gods and consecrated Soma. I am the impressed of the whole universe. I give wealth to worship. I am the observer and the observer and the first amongst those worth worshipping. I create on myself the primordial elements. By my abode is in the waters of Samudra. One who know this obtained divine wealth. She is the letter, its sound, metrika, among mantras. She is the form of knowledge. She is beyond to be comprehended by analytic consciousness. She is witness of nothingness among all nothing there is no other higher to her, no to know he known as Durga, non comparable with any else. O your divine majesty of your supremacy, Lalita Devi, you are sole deity of kings and kingdoms and only ruling authority over them, and also the highest sovereign power of to rule over the empire of whole universe. The real joy lies to meditate upon your glory, which is benevolent, merciful, adorable, and prized, prized by deities. O Mother Goddess Sri, all unauspiciousness and pleasures dwell on your feet. O wisdom of Sri, O Sri Sri Chakrani, dwelling in Sri Yantra Chakrani, kindly remain always with Panch Vaktra, 500 form of Lord Shiva, in my heart. Note: Sri Vidya is said to be the total knowledge about all round auspicious goddess Mother Tripura Sundari Lalita, known as Param Amba, Mother the Supreme. She dwell Sri Chakra, which is also known as Sri Yantra, the geometrical from all the universe. Ved Shakti Mantram. श्री विद्या श्री चक्रिनी तव पद श्रेय विलास, पंच वक्त्र सह हृदय में माता करो निवास. ओ मदर गॉडेस श्री Shodashi, all unspeciousness and pleasures dwell on your feet. O wisdom of Sri Chakrini, dwelling in Sri Yantra Chakrini, kindly remain always with Panchvaktra, 500 form of Lord Shiva, in my heart. Note: Sri Vidya also is said to be total knowledge about all round, especially goddess Mother Tripura Sundari Lalita, known as Param Brahma, Mother the Supreme. She dwells Sri Chakra, which is also known as Sri Yantra and geometrical from the universe. Energy of conscious, energy of vilas, energy of wish, energy of knowledge, energy of activity. There are 5 types of energy according to Adi Gita, Adi Shakti Gita books. Then I would like to say all of you, my best friend in English, who understand easily and other language without Hindi, Sanskrit into English. I would like to say, all friends, clearly, have patience, self-confidence, have character, have a presence, and you will be do as per instruction by Sri Krishna consciousness and super soul and super heart, strong heart, you will do activities all of fine and spiritual meditation by Lord Krishna Adi Grantha. There are so many Grantha, Markandeya Puran, Veda, Upanishad, Ramayan, Mahabharat, Bhagavad Gita. There are so many in India, Indian, Sanatan religions books. You may to take every study, you can study in spiritual religion books. Then I am telling you, always chanting Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Oh my dear God, oh Durga, oh Mother, who bless me, who bless to all of universe. That's all. Good evening and all the best. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare.